What if the data you used to train AI wasn't real, but still worked perfectly? That's the magic of synthetic data. It's artificially generated information that mimics real-world data without exposing sensitive details. Think of it as a digital twin of reality, built for safety, speed, and scale. And it's not just a lab experiment. Industries are already using it to solve real-world problems faster than ever before. In healthcare, synthetic data is a game changer. Patient privacy laws make real data hard to share, but synthetic data sets let researchers test algorithms without risking confidentiality. Hospitals can simulate rare diseases or treatment outcomes, training AI on scenarios that might be too rare or sensitive in real life. It's like having infinite patience without ever touching a real one, safe, scalable, and incredibly powerful. Autonomous vehicles need millions of miles of driving data, but what if you could simulate all of it? Synthetic data lets companies create endless driving scenarios: fog, rain, jaywalkers, or even UFOs. It's faster, cheaper, and safer than real-world testing. Tesla, Waymo, and others use it to train their models without ever leaving the garage. It's not just smart, it's essential for scaling self-driving tech. Finance loves synthetic data, too. Banks can't risk exposing real customer info, but they still need to test fraud detection systems. Enter synthetic transaction data: fake purchases, fake accounts, real insights. It helps developers stress test algorithms without legal headaches. Plus, it's perfect for training AI to spot rare fraud patterns that might not exist in small real-world datasets. It's like a financial sandbox with no risk. So, how is synthetic data made? One popular method is using generative adversarial networks, or GANs. These are two neural networks battling it out. One creates fake data, the other tries to detect it. Over time, the generator gets so good, the data becomes indistinguishable from the real thing. It's like deepfake tech, but for spreadsheets, images, and even 3D environments. Powerful, but it needs careful tuning. Looking for tools? Try Synthia for healthcare, which generates realistic patient records. For computer vision, Unity and NVIDIA's Omniverse let you simulate entire 3D worlds. Gretel.ai and Mostly AI offer APIs for tabular data. Each toolkit has its strengths. Some focus on privacy, others on realism or scalability. The key is matching the tool to your use case. Don't just pick the flashiest, pick the one that fits your data needs. Synthetic data isn't just a workaround, it's a superpower. It lets you build, test, and scale faster than ever, without the legal baggage of real data. But it's not magic. Poorly generated data can mislead models, so quality control is key. As AI grows, synthetic data will be the fuel behind the scenes. Learn the tools, understand the risks, and you'll be ahead of the curve, by design.